How to fix your Outlook calendar not syncing. So here I have the new version of the Outlook application open, and I also have the classic version of the Outlook application open right here. So I will show you how to sync it in both versions. So from here in the inbox folder of your Outlook, what you can do is that you can go to view, then you can see the sync button right here. So from here, just click that and then just wait for the syncing to finish. And then when that is finished, your calendar should now be fixed right here in your calendar page. And then in the classic version of Outlook, to do that, you can go right here to the send and receive tab in the ribbon. And then from here, just click send and receive all folders. From there, you just need to wait for that to finish as well, because it is syncing information for your Outlook account. And then after it has finished, you can just go ahead and go to the calendar page to see if it is now fixed. So if you are still having some problems right here in the classic version of Outlook, what you can do is that you can double check if, we dismiss this, if your work offline feature is turned on. Because if this is turned on, what will happen is that you are disconnected from the server. And if you are disconnected from the server, your calendar will not be synced. So if you have done everything in both the classic version of Outlook and the new version of Outlook, and if it is still not working, what we can do is that we can just use the repair feature of Microsoft. So to do that, just go to the control panel right here. And then from here, go to programs and features. And then from here, just type in Microsoft. From here, you should see this, the Microsoft 365. So if you're using the personal Microsoft account, you can use Microsoft 365. But if you are using a business Microsoft account, you can use Microsoft 365 apps for business. So just choose what you are using and then click the change button right here. From here, click yes. And then you have two options. It's either you use the quick repair option or the online repair. So I prefer using the quick repair option first because this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. If it is still not working, now you can use the online repair feature. So this will fix all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection. So as it says right here, you can select this option if you're still having problems after quick repair. So just use quick repair first, then see if it is now fixed. And then if it's still not fixed, now you can use online repair. And then just go ahead and click the repair button right here. Keep in mind that this will take a while, so that you just need to wait for that to finish. And then that is it. So those are the solutions that we can do to fix the Outlook calendar not syncing, both in the new version and the classic version of Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.